What's up, everybody? Happy holidays and welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I've got my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion Box by Filmington, and this is volume 36, December 2021. All right, so pop this bad boy open, take a quick look at this checklist, grab out the packs. All right, let's go ahead and read off the list as we go. First pack is going to be 1993 Bowman. In here, we're looking for Derek Jeter. See if we can get lucky. Carefully open this guy up. Jeez, there we go. All right. Wes Chamberlain. Kurt Stillwell. That's strange. These are all backwards. We got some kind of parallel here. Jason Beery. Jose Vidro. Dave Winfield. Deion Sanders, Randy Johnson, Doug DeCenzo, Jason Barre, Top Prospect, Jose Guzman, Charlie Nagy, Mike Lansing, and Luis Polonia. Oh, there's another one. Dennis Moeller. All right, so nothing too crazy in there. Next up, we're looking at 2018 Topps Update. Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna, Shohei Ohtani. All right, this is a nice pack. See if we can get something nice out of it. All right. Teoscar Hernandez. Ozzie Albies. All-Star rookie card. Not bad. Alademus Diaz. Ooh, we got a Shane Bieber rookie. Not bad at all. Jesus Aguilar. Lou Trevino. Storybook Endings Chipper Jones. Lance McCullers. Raja Davis. And Cameron Maybin. Okay, so we got a couple good cards out of that pack. Didn't get the Acuna, but take the Shane Bieber and the Albies. Next up, we're looking at 2019 Topps Heritage High Number. Fernando Tatis, Vladdy Guerrero Jr., Eloy Jimenez, and Austin Riley. Robinson Chirinos, Brandon Kinstler, Kevin Pillar, Joe Harvey, Franklin Barreto. Yes! And another Tatis. Wow. I know I've pulled more than one of these. I can't remember if this is my second or third time pulling one of these out of the RC Explosion box. There we go. Sweet. All right. So far, so good. David Robertson. Ooh, and a Vladdy in the same pack. I think that's happened before, too. Wow. Nice pack. Merry Christmas. Okay. Here we go. Bowman. Is this the retail? No, this is hobby. 2020 Bowman, Bobby Witt Jr., Jason Dominguez, Anthony Volpe, and Brennan Davis, I believe. Something like that. Okay. Come on. Let's keep this party going. All right. Another Shane Bieber. Ooh, looks like we got something. Oh, no, that's one of those inserts. Okay. Cody Bellinger. Dustin May. Not bad. Okay. Brady Singer. Here comes some Chrome. Dane Dunning. Ooh, a first Bowman of Joe Ryan. Okay. Gleyber Torres and Buster Posey. Okay, well, nothing too crazy in there. Next pack, we're looking at 2020 Series 1. Bo Bichette and Yordan Alvarez. There's a few other key rookies, too, like Randy Arozarena and Trent Grisham and other guys. Okay. Here we go. Anthony Rendon, Albert Alomar, Alomora, Josh Bell, Jonathan Villar, Starling Castro. You got a rookie of Jordan Yamamoto, Miles Mikolas, Matt Carpenter, Craig Kimbrell, Brewers, Christian and Nolan, All-Star Game, Mike Fiers, and David Peralta. Okay. Next up, 2021 Bowman. Looking for Austin Martin, Perez Auto, Blaze Jordan, Acosta, so on and so forth. Prospects galore. Okay. Let's see what we get. Got Vladdy, Luis Robert, Freddie Freeman, Tanner Houck, Christian Pache rookie, Bowman throwback. Kind of cool. Aaron Sabato, first Bowman. Nice. Ooh, and a Jeremy De La Rosa first Bowman. That's not bad. Not very easy to always hit first Bowmans in here. So got a good couple first Bowman Chrome non-pitcher cards. So that's not too bad. Put those aside. You never know with the prospects. Okay, Tristan Casas and Seth Beer. All right. Try and move this pretty quickly. Oh, we only got 2 packs. All right. Just running out of memory on my phone, so try to finish this up before it cuts out. Next up, we got Stadium Club Chrome 2021. Jared Kelenic, Joe Adell, Jonathan India, Andrew Vaughn, Dylan Carlson, Ryan Mountcastle, Brian Hayes, Chisholm, Kirilloff, and Badu. Don't mind if Badu. Okay, Caparellian. Mark McGuire. Stan Musial. A couple cool turn back the clock cards. Will Clark. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I said Will Clark. Will Craig, rookie. Kind of a strange stance there. Jose Barrio, rookie. And a Tatis Stadium Club throwback. So that's kind of cool. It's got the old original logo. So I don't know if that's some kind of... looks kind of refractory. Well, put that aside. That's a nice looking card. Nonetheless, don't believe it's numbered, but pretty cool looking card. And here for our last pack, we're looking at 2021 Topps Update. Jared Kelenic, Jonathan India, Andrew Vaughn, and Badu. Here we go. So, yeah, wish me luck. Okay, final pack. Final rookie card explosion box in my old spot here. About to be moving to a new town, not too far away, but next time I probably have another video will be next month. Be a new year, new place. Changes are a coming. New paths ahead. All right. Mike Miner, Daniel Vogelbach, Si Woo Kim, rookie debut, Luis Patino, Moreland Urena, okay, Brad Miller. I got this Bryce Harper Topps Gold, Topps Black Gold. This looks like it's, what is this? I've never seen one like that. Okay. Anyhow, let's quickly wrap this up. Do a quick little recap. Looks like I've got about 1 minute left, so let's do a fairly quick recap here. So we got this Bryce Harper insert, this pretty cool Fernando Tatis insert, Aaron Sabato first chrome, Jeremy De La Rosa, Christian Pache, Dustin May, and we got the Vladdy base rookie, Fernando Tatis, Shane Bieber rookie, Ozzie Albies, and this pretty cool Deion Sanders. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope that you have a wonderful holiday season, and I will catch up with you soon. Take care. Peace.